In this video, I'm going to show you several ways you can get access to Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you want to do more than simply open a PDF, you'll need the Pro version. The free reader version is perfect for opening and viewing documents, but powerful tools like editing, converting, rearranging pages, and running features such as OCR text recognition are available in the paid version. Here are several ways people commonly get access. Option 1. Start with Adobe's trial. Adobe usually provides a trial period for Acrobat Pro. Go to Adobe's website, choose Acrobat Pro, and download the trial. This lets you test the software and decide if it fits your needs. Option 2. Check your job. A lot of workplaces already pay for licenses. Before spending money, ask your supervisor or IT department. You might already have access. Option 3. Community locations. Libraries, career centers, and colleges sometimes provide computers with professional software installed. Availability is different everywhere, so call ahead and ask. Option 4. Use someone you trust. If a friend or family member has the program, they may let you sit down and use it for a project. Here's the key idea. The free version is designed mainly for viewing and printing, but the professional version is built for people who need to really work with their documents, editing, converting, organizing, and using the more advanced tools. If this helped you understand your options, give the video a like and share it with others. And if you want more practical, step-by-step training that makes technology easier to use, be sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next lesson.